Alright, welcome to Stay Tuned's Garage. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be putting the flock dash into the Mustang. So, quick little timeline reference. I flocked this dash about 5 months ago, and I just haven't had the time to put it into the car, so I never uploaded the video of me flocking the dash because I kind of wanted to do it, one step and another, and I didn't want to just have that huge pause in between videos. So yeah, finally putting it in. I've had this sitting in my closet for 5 months, so yeah, today's the day I finally get to go ahead and do that. This is a very flattering angle of me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First thing, I need to get both seats out of the car, just to give me room to maneuver in here. I will also leave a link down in the description of the guide that I'm using to remove this. Obviously, I've done it before. I removed the dashboard that I flocked, but that was, like I said earlier, 5 months ago, so I don't remember exactly what I did. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out of here, and we'll get the new one in. Sweet. Seats are out. Now I have all this room to play with and get under here and get all of this stuff out. So let's go ahead and start tackling that. All right, so I actually got it all out, or got everything off. Right now the dash is basically just resting on the steering wheel, which a lot of people do remove the whole steering shaft, steering column, but I didn't really want to do that. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull this bitch out. Okay, update. I did drop the steering column, not by choice, but because if I didn't, it wouldn't come out. But yeah, I still left the steering shaft connected and everything. I just kind of dropped it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and pull this big old thing out. We got it all out. So here is, bare bones, gutted, no dash. Yeah, so I figured while I'm in here, I'm actually going to go ahead and replace the heater core, which goes up here. So I need to just remove this unit real quick, replace the heater core so I could finally have heat in this car. Oh my god, I have two cars, a Honda and this one. Neither have heat. The Honda has AC, which is nice in the summer, but neither of them have heat, so it kind of sucks in the winter. Luckily, winter isn't really a winter here in SoCal, but yeah, I'm gonna get heat in the car finally. I'll have a summer car and I'll have a winter car. I guess this is my winter car. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, take care of that stuff, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the whole, and then we'll keep going. We'll just leave it at that. It's out. So we've got the AC box completely out, the HVAC box, and then here we have the new heater core. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this little top off, throw that one in, and we'll go ahead and throw this right back in. Old, new. I know the lighting is horrible, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch over the harness and the speedo, tack, all that stuff, put them on the new one, and we'll go ahead and throw that one in. Alright, so I started doing the whole harness swap, and I realized it's actually a lot easier to just take the plastic skins off and then transfer that. So now I'm doing that, and yeah, this thing's a mess, but we'll clean it up and throw it back in the car. Alright, so it's pretty much all set up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in the car. Look at that. dash is like sitting in the car. It's not bolted or anything at all yet. It's also super dirty from my grimy hands touching it, but I'll go ahead and clean it up once I have it all set in there. But yeah, it's coming together. So I'm gonna go ahead and tidy all this up and start putting it all back together. So I'll probably either update you guys or show you when it's all done. All right, and just like that, we are one step closer to having an all black interior. I did mess up some parts on it. As you can see here, I scuffed this little corner a little bit. Overall, it's not too bad. I can live with it. It looks way better than my old dash did. And like I said, we are one step closer to having an all black interior. All I need now is steering wheel. As you can see, it's gray. I'm gonna need to change that out. And door cards are half gray. But other than that, it's all black in here. And that's what I always wanted for this car. So the glove box, I also have to paint that, and I actually found a really close match for the color. So as you could see, the airbag cover right here is black. This is actually the same one that was in my old dash, the gray one. And I actually painted this and it matches pretty damn well. It even looks better than this stuff. And this right here is what I'm using. It's SEM trim paint. Like I said, it's like a perfect match for the black. And I mean, it's a good brand, and I mean, like I said, it looks good. So that's what I'm using. I'm probably gonna use that to paint the shell of the steering wheel, and paint the like backing part of it. The actual steering wheel itself I am going to replace, and I'm probably gonna have to paint the airbag or horn on it as well, but that's something we'll get to when we get there. And then I'm probably gonna paint the door cards as well. I'm going to try and repair the door cards because they do have some, you know, damage done to them, and then I will go ahead and paint them once I've done that. So that's something for another day. Today we did what we're here to do. Thank you for watching. This might have been a long video. I'm actually not too sure, but I'm not completely done right now, but so far like everything I want to record has been done. So all the last stuff I need to do is just nitpicky cleaning up stuff. So I'm gonna put the camera down, finish it up. Like I said, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day.